Welcome back to Psychotech Labs. Today we're going to be putting in some new bleeder resistors. So we've already roughed the parts in on the board there. We're going to go ahead and solder all that up, connect it up to the capacitance bank so the high voltage will bleed off. So that's what we're doing today. Catch up with me later. We'll see how far we get. Okay, we got our bleeder resistors all wired in now. I got to fire this thing up with it on its back, and even though these are new capacitors, I've installed this little blast screen just in case. You never know. So we're going to power this thing up on the variac slowly, and then take some measurements of the temperature of our resistors, make sure they're not getting scorching hot. I mean, they're supposed to get kind of hot, but we don't want them to get carried away. So we're going to power it up on the variac. So we'll do that and test out the stuff. We're going to be using one of these to test the temp of the bleeder resistors. So wish me luck. I'll be back. Did a voltage check. We're at 980, which is where we should have been on the full high voltage. I just turned it off a minute ago, and the bleeders have already got it down under 100 volts. So the bleeder resistors are doing their job. We get high voltage in there, and yeah, that's good because, wow, I like to be safe. And without them bleeders in there, you're kind of playing Russian roulette. So anyway, there you go. Bleeder resistors bleeding off that high voltage, and we have full high voltage, 980. So that's it. We're gonna bag it for the day. Tomorrow we're gonna trace out a bunch of stuff, make a bunch more tests. That's right, just like a real laboratory, testing and retesting everything. That's how we roll at Psychotech Labs. Alright, well, went ahead and powered her up and keyed it up a couple times. Looks like the pass-through's working fine. Looks like the transmit receive relay is working fine. Still got a problem with relays not wanting to unkey. And I'm not really getting power out. Little tiny bit, but it's minuscule. Less than we're putting in. So we're going to have to go through and trace out everything now. See where we're losing our wattage. So stay tuned. That's another episode of Psychotech Labs. Signing off.